Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube video on how to make money online. My name is Sonia and I am your host for today. In this video, we will discuss some ways in which you can make money online. The internet and money. The internet has revolutionized the way we work, live, and make money. It has opened up new opportunities for people to earn a living from the comfort of their homes. With the right skills, tools, and mindset, you can make money online and achieve financial freedom. Ways to make money online. Here are some ways in which you can make money online. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing involves providing services such as writing, graphic design, coding, or virtual assistance to clients. You can find freelancing opportunities on platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on the sales made through your affiliate link. You can promote products on platforms such as Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASale. 3. Blogging. Blogging involves creating content on a particular niche and earning money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. You can start a blog on platforms such as WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace. 4. Online courses. You can create and sell online courses on platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create a course and earn money from it. 5. E-commerce. You can sell products online through platforms such as Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon. You can create your own online store or sell through existing platforms. Conclusion. In conclusion, the internet has opened up numerous opportunities for people to make money online. You can freelance, do affiliate marketing, start a blog, sell online courses, or start an e-commerce store. It is important to identify your strengths, interests, and skills before embarking on any online money-making venture. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found it informative.